So here we go, I hope you're well. This is my brand new silver pour. In fact, it's a little set of 5 I've done. They are available over on my website if you want to go and check it out. This is called the Paladin, and I'm just over the moon with it. As you can see, it's in another cool 3D printed display case by Nerd UK. And just look at this back.
The Paladin.
What? Wait a sec. Excuse me?
A guardian of honor forged in conflict, not comfort. Hand poured with $9.99 fine silver, this one-of-one art panel captures quiet resolve before the storm.
Wait a sec, my friend. I was going to say all this.
Sand cast by hand, every ripple and ridge tells the story of the pour. Presented in a bespoke 3D printed display box by Nerd UK.
I've already said that, pal.
And hallmarked by the Birmingham Assay Office, 2025. A tribute to those who stand firm when others falter. True nobility, cast in silver.
Well, yeah, I couldn't have really said it better myself, could I? Yeah, all what he's just said. And yeah, there's a link in the description below if you want to go and check it out. I've really enjoyed making this one. I think it's just over 3 ounces in weight, so it's a nice chunky panel, as you can see. And the 3D box, well, Nerd, he's just knocked it out of the park again. I'm loving these display boxes because you can actually display the piece in the box. And there we have it. The lid fits on nice, and that's the Paladin.